In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up credit card fees in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to record those processing fees so they land in the right account, show up on your reports, and reconcile cleanly. Start by heading to the QuickBooks Online website using your browser's search bar. Once you're on the home page, click Sign In and log in with your account credentials. After you're in, look to the left menu and open Expenses. This is where you manage and add transactions tied to what your business spends. At the top right of the Expenses page, click New Transaction, then choose Expense. This opens the expense form, where you'll capture the credit card fee as a cost to your business. Begin with the Payment Account field. This needs to be the credit card account that actually incurred the fee. Click the field and find your card in the list. If you don't see it, start typing the account name you use. If QuickBooks prompts you to set it up, select the appropriate account type and make sure it's set to credit card. Using the correct account ensures your balances and reconciliations stay accurate. Next, fill in the essential details. For payee, choose the processor or institution that charged the fee, such as your payment processor or your bank. Enter the date that matches the statement or the day the fee posted. In the category details section, select the expense account you use for fees. Many businesses use bank charges or merchant processing fees. If you're unsure, stick with your existing fee category or check your accounting policy so your reports remain consistent. Enter the amount of the fee exactly as it appears on your statement. Use the description or memo field to note the statement period or any helpful info for future reference, and attach a copy of the statement if you have it so your books are well documented. If you use classes, locations, or tags, apply them here so the fee appears in the right segment of your reporting. Sales tax typically doesn't apply to processing fees. Leave tax fields off unless your local rules say otherwise. Give everything a quick review for accuracy. Payment account, payee, date, category, and amount. When it looks good, click Save. QuickBooks records the expense to your chosen category and reduces the balance of the credit card account you selected. That's it. Repeat this process whenever fees post, and during reconciliation, your statement totals should match what's in QuickBooks. Keeping fees in a dedicated expense category helps you track processing costs over time and make better pricing and payment decisions.